Here's how to private chat in Roblox Mobile. Now open up the Roblox app on your iPhone or Android, and from here tap on the More button at the very bottom right. We need to first make sure private chatting is enabled in the settings. So let's scroll down here until you get to Settings and tap on that. And then we're going to tap on the third option, Privacy and Content Restrictions. After you've loaded that up, you can see third down is Communication. Let's tap on that. And you can also turn on private chat. Make sure that is turned on for party. And then in addition to that, experience chat. So both of these, direct chat, experience chat, you want to make sure everything is turned on. Now there are two ways to send and have a private conversation. The first way is you can hop out here. And if you're not playing a game, you can tap on party here. And then just tap on the plus at the very top right. And then just tap on somebody's name. And just like that, you can create a party, aka a private conversation with that person. But let's say you're playing a game instead. You can also have a private conversation within a game. Let's, for instance, open up a game. Let's say I want to play Steal a Brain Rot. So open this up and hit play. And I'm going to turn this over so that you'll be able to see it a bit easier in the game mode. After you've done that, you can have that private conversation. You can see at the top left is the messages, but it says everybody can basically see this if you tap on that. So let's instead tap on those three lines at the top left here and then tap on party. Just like that, I can select a person to have a conversation with. For instance, I can tap on somebody here and then just start saying something just to that individual and not to everybody playing that game.